That's a fish on, baby. Yeah. Hey now, hey now, hey now, rod benders. It's a little bit windy today, I apologize. But between the holidays, inclement weather, and getting sick for a few days, I haven't been out yet in 2023. Today, we aim to rectify that situation by getting some bend in the rod. Hopefully, you never know, unless you get off the couch and go try. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you've done so already, thank you very much. We're almost at 500. Probably gonna make the next video a giveaway. Hit that button if you're new to the channel. I'd appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get after some fish. We finally got some rain. I was here a couple days ago. Water, I would be underwater right now. It's come down a couple of feet. Still heavily stained, almost muddy. Not ideal for me, but I'm feeling pretty good about it. Doing the same crap we always do. Got a 1/8 of an ounce jig head with a 3.5 inch Keitech Easy Shiner. Sinking it down to the bottom, trying to avoid those snags. That's where they live. It's down on the bottom, especially during the daytime like this. Gotta get down deep. Cast long, cast far, cast short. And check it all. Gotta check it all. Fish on, baby. Finally. We've been fishing for a while. And we got one on. Thank the good Lord. Getting some bend in that rod. Sucker. He's hooked in the face. We're calling that a catch. Got a helicopter coming down. Right. Hey now. I was just thinking to myself, I'm surprised I ain't foul hooked a sucker yet, and looky there. That's a good fish. I'm glad to catch him. We're out here, January, trying to catch some fish in the cold water. Yeah, and we got us a sucker. I think that's a quillback. I don't know. He's cold though, that's for sure. Let's let him go. Hold on. Thanks, pal. Alright, America. It's windy today. Brought the big pole to throw some big baits. Got some rain last week. The river's up finally. I'm hoping it's going to breathe some life, but it's a little bit muddy. I would say heavily stained at this point. We're looking at 6 to 8 inches of visibility. Got a big old jig head. This is like an ounce, maybe an ounce and a half. Hell, maybe 2 ounces. I don't know. My buddy Josh Thompson hooked me up. Thompson's Outdoors and More. Taxidermy, fishing tackle, groceries. They got it all. Down in 10 Mile, Tennessee. I'll put the Facebook page in the description if you're ever down south end of Watts Bar. like the north end of Chickamauga. He's got what you need. Let's see if we can catch something on this big old hunk of lead he hooked me up with. That thing is super heavy. I'm trying to get down in the water column, but I know it's rockier than hell out there. And if something that heavy hit the bottom, I'm probably not going to get it back. But it is deep. It's very deep. And that's a pretty big profile. That white and chartreuse. I like that for these low visibility situations. I've got another one that's darker colored. If I break this one off or don't get bit on it, might switch up colors, but I don't know. I've also got some Keitechs rigged up like always. I don't think anything's going to pick it up off the bottom. It's super heavy. But I think if I'm swimming it back in the right depth, they might come out of nowhere and blow it up. That's what Josh told me to do with it. Just swim it back. So we'll see. Trying to move some more water in these low visibility situations. And it's windy, so more weight is easier to control when the wind kicks up. Doesn't get blowed all over the place like my normal little jigs. Enough chitter chatter. That's probably good enough for today. Let's get to fishing. And that's gone. Don't backlash a heavy bait, or you're done for. Let's see if I still got my leader. Negative. Alright, we'll probably go ahead and sit this one down. Try the old normal rig here for a little bit. Got this red guy. I always liked red in low visibility. It's physics. Red permeates a little better. I think. In the stained water. I'm out after saugeye again. They're visual predators. Not to say they won't attack something based on their other senses, but try to give them something they can see. Got good sunshine here today, so at the very least I should be casting a shadow. Come up, get it! Come up and eat it. We got different sizes, different colors. Gonna give everything the college try. Keep changing stuff until we find a pattern, start cracking them. Got a fish on, baby? I believe so. He ain't very big, but he's a fish. And we're happy to catch him. Look at how cute he is. Where's your big cousin at? Look at that little guy. He's like a stick. Ain't he cute? Let's put him back. He's a youngling. He's probably only a year old. Probably got stocked last fall. made his way downriver. That red worked. That red got one. That's a fish on, baby. Yeah. Ooh, up shallow, huh? That's a good sog. That's a good sog. I'm gonna boat flip him in here. He crushed it. Hey! Nice. He ain't too big, but that's a good one. We're happy to catch them. We're happy to catch them all. Right on, right on, right on, right on. Get back in there, son. Let's get your friends. All right, America. I don't know if you can see me. I fished the sundown. Just caught those 2 fish today. We're happy to catch them. Anytime you can catch any fish in the winter is a good day at the river. I would have liked to have caught 1 or 2 more for you, but that's fishing. That's how it goes. We were lucky to catch those 2 little saugeye. Put a smile on my face. It's good to be back, baby. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. If you've done so already, thank you very much. And until next time, go get some bend in your rod.